Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to edit cinematic video in Photoshop. Without further ado, let's get started. First, click this and let's switch to motion. And then select this create video timeline. And then select this plus button right here and then add the video that you want to edit. Now, just drag out this video to this folder. And then delete this one. Now you can drag independently your video, and then now if your video is a bit laggy, you can change its resolution right here. Just click this one and then change it to 50%. Now if we play this one, it is now not laggy like before. Now after that, you can also change its saturation. As you can see, it definitely changed our video. If you also want to add some text, just click the text button and then start typing the text that you want to add right here. Now you can also add some effects if you want, by clicking the button right here and then select this transform. I'm just gonna drag it out, same as the length of our video, and then click this one. Now I'll adjust this. Now I'll drag this text where I want this to came from first. And then if we play this part, just gonna adjust this one, and then this is how it looks like. Now you can also add some effects if you want. Just click this right here. Now you have different choices, and then just drag it to your video right here, and this is how it looks like. And then that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.